This versatile layout allows users to connect external displays, transfer data quickly, power their laptop, and enjoy high-quality audio output, all simultaneously. Whether you're giving a presentation with a projector, extending your workspace to multiple monitors, or simply plugging in peripherals at your desk, this docking station is built to streamline your setup and boost productivity. One of the standout features of this docking station is its MST, multi-stream transport, support, allowing you to connect up to 3 external displays, 2 HDMI, 1 VGA. This means you can mirror or extend your laptop screen across multiple monitors for a more immersive, efficient workflow. Weighing just a few ounces and small enough to fit into your pocket or laptop bag, the BENFEI docking station is built for portability without sacrificing durability. The premium aluminum shell not only provides excellent heat dissipation, but also adds a sleek, modern touch,